For decades, server costs and manual coding stood as a wall between entrepreneurs and the internet. That barrier is now obsolete. We have finally reached a point where building a fully functional, public-facing digital platform requires zero knowledge of programming languages. To launch a site today, you only need two things: a free account on an AI-driven builder and a clear vision of what you want to create. To demonstrate how accessible this has become, we are going to start a 5-minute countdown and take a website from a blank screen to a live launch. By removing the need to write code, the difficulty of web design moves away from technical execution and rests entirely on the clarity of your instructions. Step 1. This text input box is now the primary interface for building your site's architecture. Most people fail here because they provide the AI with vague, low-resolution inputs. If you simply ask for a gym website, the system generates a generic template lacking the specific features your business actually needs. This diagram shows the 3 variables you need for a professional result. First, the niche, boutique boxing gym in Chicago. Second, the demographic, targeting busy professionals. Third, the visual tone, sleek, high-energy design. Combined, they form a clear instruction set for the AI. With the prompt set, we trigger the generation sequence. While the progress bar moves, the AI is simultaneously drafting the sales copy, arranging the layout blocks, and selecting relevant image placeholders. In this workflow, being precise with your language has replaced being precise with your code syntax. Generation is complete. You now have a raw architectural draft of your website on the screen. It's important to remember that this first draft won't be perfect immediately. Use the 80-20 rule. The AI has done the bulk of the work. Your role now is to supervise the final adjustments, rather than getting stuck on minor details. To change the look of the entire site at once, open the Global Styling controls. Clicking a new color palette doesn't just change the background, it uses a mathematical scale to update every button and accent color across every page instantly. This split screen shows the same layout with 2 themes. The minimalist left and dark neon right were each applied with a single click. You can do the same with typography. Selecting a different font pairing changes the readability and mood of the entire site instantly. If AI-generated text feels dry or repetitive, you don't need to rewrite it yourself. Highlight the sentence and use the inline regeneration tool. Tell the AI to make the text more professional or more urgent, and it will provide a new version. This workflow changes your role. Instead of manually building every element, you are curating and refining the output of the algorithm. Now, look at the top of the editor and toggle the view from desktop to mobile. Most of your visitors will see your site on a phone. If the mobile version doesn't work, the desktop version doesn't matter. The AI automatically takes the wide layout and restacks the elements into a single-column vertical format. Scroll through the mobile view. If you see a headline that's too large or an image out of place, use the Re-Layout button to reset the alignment. We are at the final step. Click Publish to take the site live on a subdomain. The gap between a local concept and global digital presence is now a single button press. That's 5 minutes. The clock is stopped and the website is now live. This is a professional-grade asset that is accessible to anyone with the link. You can verify this right now. Scan this QR code with your phone to open the site we just built and see how it performs on your own device. To take this from a demo to a business, the only remaining technical step is to connect your own custom domain name in the settings. This process shows that the technical barrier to entry has disappeared. If you can clearly describe an idea, you can now build the platform to host it.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. We really appreciate your support. See you in the next video.